Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn first position. We call it first position because, well, it's the very first position that we teach our students when they start ballet class here at the Dance Connection. We even teach it to our students that are as young as 3 and 4 years old. First position also introduces our students to the idea of turnout. Turnout is the way that we rotate our legs in ballet. So, let's get going and let's learn the step. Start with your feet together and your toes pointing straight front. Make sure you're standing tall, your neck is long, and your tummy muscles are strong too. Now, rock back on your heels and open your toes while keeping your heels together. Drop your toes to the ground, and there you have it. First position. It should look a little bit like a pizza slice. Now, it's very important when you open your toes to do it in one movement. Don't wiggle and force your toes farther out than they can go. Every dancer is going to have their feet open at a different angle depending on their flexibility. To find your true first position, rock back once, open your toes, and put them down on the floor at the same time. Our demonstrators in this video were Anika and Zoe. Thank you so much, Anika and Zoe, for being such great examples to all of our students who are dancing at home. We hope you enjoyed this video. We really do our best to make these videos accessible to families and children. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. And if you're looking for in-person or virtual dance classes for your child, please reach out to us here at the Dance Connection. And remember, stay dance connected.